What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Promote Style, your go-to channel for the latest in sneakers and streetwear. Today, I have something special for you, a closer look at the Jordan 4 Retro Canyon Purple. So let's unbox this beauty and see what makes it stand out. Here it is, the Jordan 4 Retro Canyon Purple. Inspired by Tinker Hatfield's original 1989 design, this shoe is all about bold colors and premium materials. Let's talk details. The upper is made from a shaggy suede in this vibrant purple finish that just screams luxury. But it doesn't stop there. Look at these lime green accents on the speckled eyelets and midsole. A unique pop of color that gives this shoe so much personality. The signature Jumpman logo in safety orange graces the woven tongue tag, adding another layer of brightness. Plus, the contrasting black details on the molded wings, heel tab, and herringbone traction rubber outsole tie everything together beautifully. This one's definitely a statement piece. Now I know what you're thinking, where can I get my hands on these? And that's where today's sponsor comes in. Let me introduce you to Rep Sneaker, the ultimate destination for high-quality replica sneakers. Rep Sneaker is an online platform dedicated to bringing you top-notch replica sneakers inspired by the most iconic designs in the industry. Whether you're a collector or just someone who loves stylish footwear, this site has something for you. They pride themselves on their attention to detail, ensuring every pair mirrors the originals in craftsmanship, materials, and design. Honestly, it's hard to tell the difference. Here's the best part. Rep Sneaker is currently running an amazing sale, and I've got an exclusive discount code for you. Use code PT at checkout to get a whopping 16% off. Now, I know some of you might have questions about the authenticity and reliability of Rep Sneaker. Well, you can check out their reviews on Trustpilot, real feedback from real customers. Plus, I've made it easy for you. All the links to their website, social media accounts, contact numbers, and more are right in the description below. So whether you're adding these to your collection or just looking for an affordable way to step up your sneaker game, Rep Sneaker has got you covered. Don't forget to use that discount code PT to save some cash. Thanks for tuning in to Promote Style. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more unboxings, reviews, and style tips. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.